If you live on and west of the ranges in New South Wales, particularly between Moree and Albury-Wodonga, a concerning flood threat is likely to develop in the coming days and into the weekend, as widespread rainfall is likely to lead to widespread flooding in New South Wales. Now, looking at severe weather warnings currently for heavy rainfall across southern parts of Queensland, western New South Wales, and also along northern Victoria, with widespread rain and thunderstorm activity on Wednesday. But also we're going to see some strong easterly winds further south, so we have a damaging wind warning for parts of northwestern Tasmania and also for King Island. Now, looking at the reason why we're so concerned about this rainfall is right now, as we already know, there is numerous warnings current for minor, moderate and major flooding through much of inland New South Wales. Our dams are full, our soils are saturated, and we can't take any more rainfall. But unfortunately, a lot more is on the way. Now, in anticipation of that, we have issued numerous flood watches where many of our rivers are likely to be experiencing moderate to major flooding in the coming days due to this widespread heavy rainfall. Now, this is not only likely to lead to renewed river level rises, but this type of rainfall on already saturated and flooded creeks, streams and rivers is likely to lead to possible inundation of homes, properties and businesses, widespread inundation of agricultural land, impacting crops and livestock, and likely to lead to major travel disruptions with numerous road closures, both minor and major. But looking at this rainfall in more detail, we're seeing that rain and thunderstorm activity across South Australia and also parts of the NT and Queensland today. But as it moves eastwards tonight, it's going to encounter much more tropical moisture coming in from the Coral Sea, but also the Indian Ocean. And that's likely to lead to heavier and persistent rainfall through southern Queensland, inland New South Wales and northern Victoria. Also note the stronger easterly winds as well across Tasmania tomorrow, and that's why we see that warning there. Now, that rainfall will quickly move eastwards on Wednesday night and temporarily clear much of the southeast Australia as we move through Thursday afternoon with just some hit and miss showers and storms. But then the next weather system moving through South Australia will bring another burst of widespread and heavy rainfall through inland parts of New South Wales and northeastern Victoria, exacerbating our already ongoing flooding threat through here. And then that will clear eastwards on Friday night before another round of rainfall likely to move through Queensland, New South Wales and eastern Victoria on Saturday and Sunday. Now, looking at that rainfall in more detail, widespread 20 to 50 millimetres is likely across many parts of inland New South Wales on and west of the ranges. And that's just through Wednesday into Thursday. And as you can see here, with Friday and Saturday's rainfall, we are looking at widespread 50 to possibly 150 millimetres on large areas of inland New South Wales, particularly our flood affected areas of New South Wales. And as you can see here, this widespread heavy rainfall is falling exactly where many of our moderate to major flood warnings are current. So please, if you live in this part of the world or know someone that does, stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings in the coming days via our website, app and social media. Listen to all advice from emergency services, and we'll continue to keep you updated here at the Bureau.